Hello everyone, I'm Anil, a coach at IBBI Cracker Coaching and a former assistant director of town planning and valuation with 30 plus years of experience. I'm also an IBBI registered valuer in land and building as well as a registered valuer of immovable property under section 34AB of Wealth Tax Act 1957, Government of India Income Tax Department. In addition to that, I deliver lectures on almost all 30 IBBI subjects for many registered valuer organizations. I also conduct CEP webinars on valuations for those who already pass IBBI exam. At IBBI Cracker Coaching, my goal is to help students through their preparation for IBBI examinations. You can find my details to contact me in the description of the video. With self-study, I passed the IBBI Land and Building exam with an impressive score. While preparing for the exam, I developed my own study material for the case studies and for the theoretical part. I possess expertise in case studies and related subjects like law general, laws related to real estate, insurance, capital gain, which are most for clearing IBBI. During my tenure as Assistant Director of Town Planning for the State Government of Maharashtra, I managed over 5,000 valuation cases. So let us understand why IBBI. There are huge opportunities in the field of valuation. Most of the banks and financial institutions, NCLT, DRT, courts, and many organizations need IBBI registered valuers. As of this date, there are less than 3,000 IBBI registered valuers all over India. Remember, all over India, only less than 3,000 valuers are there, which means there are a lot of more opportunities than qualified IBBI certified valuers. So let's look at what is the exam pattern for this IBBI examination. There are a total of 30 plus subjects for the exam. A list of subjects can be viewed on IBBI website. The duration of exam is 120 minutes. The last time I appeared for the exam, there were 87 questions for 100 marks, out of which there are 74 theory questions and 13 questions in case studies, each carrying 2 marks. The exam has negative marking system. For every 4 wrong answer, you lose 1 mark. Case studies can range from income approach, market approach, cost approach, capital gain, and many more. The exam tests your knowledge about valuation by giving some twist in the case studies. It is difficult to clear the exam unless you score in the case studies. Remember, this is the most important point as far as this IBBI exam is concerned. Note that scientific calculators are not allowed. Next, let's understand how to crack them. Cracking IBBI is not a piece of cake, but with perseverance, right strategy, and systematic preparation, this can be done very easily. While giving the exam to score the magic figure of 60, you need to allocate an appropriate amount of time for both theory questions as well as for the case studies. At IBBI Cracker Coaching, I teach how to manage timing on the theory section to get more time for solving case studies. I also go over how much time to allocate to each question. Considering calculations works and not allowing scientific calculators in the exam, you should make sure to distribute your time wisely between case studies and theory questions. Now let me talk a little about my coaching pattern. At IBBI Cracker Coaching, I personally teach all the 30 subjects so that you can easily answer the MCQs. I cover all different kinds of case studies in my course along with detailed solutions. I also go over common mistakes students make and how to avoid them. In my lecture series, I provide questions, review answers, and provide feedback to each student separately. I begin my teaching all 30 subjects and then I conduct practice of multiple choice questions in live lectures as per the IBBI exam format. I also teach tricks to do mathematical calculations without using Excel sheet or scientific calculator. My course covers various shortcut methods to do exponential, that means raised to power calculations. In this course, plant and machinery students also can join for common subjects in land and building and plant and machinery. So, if you want to crack the IBBI exam, come join my classes. And secondly, you can contact me on 8855 813706. My contact details are also available in the description. I wish you the best. Thanking you.